Hello everyone, my name is Tanvi Rajpurohit from A Plus T Associates, Vadodara, Gujarat. Today I would be discussing one of our project 02 The Hidden House, which is across the plot area of 12,000 square feet, located right here in the heart of North Vadodara. Before I start, please note that you can download the full PDF ebook of this house with detailed floor plans, photos, and fact file from buildify.com, and the link is mentioned in the description below. Now moving towards the project. The client is a young aspiring builder by profession, and the only brief given by him was a set of requirements of spaces, that's it. This house is a geometric composition of clean lines and stark surfaces. The house is facing south with 18-meter wide road in front, and we enter the premises from the southeast corner where the parking is also located. Since the house was facing the 18-meter wide main road, so you have to be very careful with the kind of privacy issues it will face, the sound and the kind of dust comes over where there will be lots of vehicle moving around. So to resolve this issue, we came up with this idea of introducing this huge 31.5 feet tall exposed concrete wall which hides behind almost all public and private spaces of the house, which towards the end converts into individual freestanding angular walls. This exposed concrete wall has a very interesting graphical pattern engraved on it. This wall performs as a main feature of the elevation. Talking about interiors, the language is modern, contemporary, and minimalistic. All the common connected spaces have uniform theme going on everywhere, but individual rooms has a character of its own as per the personality whomsoever is using it. The lower level has all public spaces like the living room, the kitchen, the dining, the puja, and other related services. Parents' bedroom has been kept at lower level too, keeping their edge factor in mind. Home theater or entertainment zone is also situated on ground floor, partially detached from the main house block, and can be accessible from the garden area as well. Whereas we go higher on first floor is where all the private bedrooms and a small study room cum library is situated. And on the second floor, we have spa and jacuzzi room. The visual connectivity is maintained with the greenery outside by placing large openings in all spaces. Now talking about staircase area, it is placed almost in the center of the house along with a big scale opening so that all the floors can be evenly illuminated with natural light. A bespoke art piece has been installed in the center part of it. Speaks about restoring our cultural values, and it is totally casted in metal. In case you have any design queries, post them in comment section below. I would be happy to respond them as much as possible.